milkshakes to the next motherfucking level.
You're gonna laugh, cry, squirt hot oil on your eye, get a little chubby and not know why. Probably because of the delicious food coming straight at you from this foul mouth dude.
Better than eating out, pink tacos not included.
That's how the fucking knife ninja makes a milkshake, motherfucker. You've no fucking clue how delicious this is. Make it. Make it. Thank you once again for joining me for my cooking show. Don't forget to check out the cookbook on Amazon.com. Better than eating out. Pink tacos not included. By yours truly, S.J. Moyer. Motherfuckers, you enjoy your food. I'm gonna enjoy my fucking milkshake made with bacon. No fucking clue how amazing this is. Try it. I guarantee you'll fucking love it.
Pink tacos not included. Better than eating out. Pink tacos not included. Better than eating out. Pink tacos not included.